The Secret Diary of the Mother-in-Law. In a quiet town of India, there lived a woman named Shanti Devi, who was respected by everyone as a wise and strict mother-in-law. She always guided her family with discipline, but she also kept a secret hidden in her old diary. One afternoon, her daughter in law Ronnie was cleaning the room when she discovered the diary. Out of curiosity, she began reading it. To her surprise, it was not filled with household account or recipe. Instead, it contained love letters, poems, and memories from Shanti Devi's younger days. The diary revealed that Shanti Devi once had a beautiful love story with a younger man before her marriage. They used to meet secretly in the park, exchange flowers, and dream of a future together. But due to family pressure, she had to marry someone else. She never told anyone about his hidden chapter of her life. Rani, shocked but also touched, showed the diary to her sister in law. Both women could not believe that the secret, strict, traditional Shanti Devi was once a romantic girl with dreams and feelings. Just then, Shanti Devi entered the room and saw them holding her diary. Her face turned pale and she pinked. She shouted, "Why did you open this diary? These memories are mine alone." Rani gently held her hand and said, "Maji, you have always taught us to respect family tradition, but you too had dreams and a heart full of love. We respect you even more now because you sacrificed your happiness for our family." Shanti Devi's eyes filled with tears. For the first time, she felt understood. The diary, once a secret, had now become a bride between her and her daughter in law. From that day, their bond grew stronger, not just a family member, but as women who shared stories of love, sacrifice, and strength. Moral of the story: every person, no matter how strict or tradition, has a part full of emotions and dreams. Respecting those hidden feelings brings families closer together. Thank you for listening to today's magical story. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. See you in the next story. Until then, keep imagining, keep dreaming.